Children aren't born knowing your classroom routines. And here's something obvious that we sometimes forget. Every teacher's classroom is different. So last year's teacher may have done it one way. You do it another. Home does it another. Another country may do it another way. So when you say you should know this by now, maybe ask yourself, did I actually teach this? Or did I assume that they know? So remember people on the live, rules and routines, they are different. Two different things, they're not the same thing. And sometimes educators think rules and routines are the same thing. They are not. They are not. Rules establish boundaries. Routines tell us how to do something. The routine tells them how to behave, how to put away their things, how to transition from point A to point B, how to move from point A to point B, how to ask for help, how to behave in this classroom. Those are the routines. And you have to teach routines. You can't just assume that they know. You have to teach it. So as teachers, you have to teach the routines. So let's try something. Everybody watching. So imagine you're a leader. Imagine I'm your leader. Imagine I'm your leader. Tomorrow morning I tell you, I expect you to be ready. And that's it. Ready. What does that mean? At your desk at 8 a.m.? Does it mean computer turned on? Does it mean planning complete? Does it mean coffee finished? Smurf says model routines and allow them. Exactly. Model routines and allow them to practice. Does it mean email checked? Does it mean children greeted? What do I mean when I say I expect you to be ready? What does it mean? So you need clarification. So now imagine you're 5. Imagine you're 5 years old. Your teacher says, sit nicely. What does nicely mean? Reception teachers on the live. You tell your children, sit nicely. That 5-year-old child, what does nicely mean? Does it mean feet on the floor? Does sit nicely mean cross-legged?